this lesson, we're going to add a media carousel. So let's check this one out. So when you put that on there, you notice that you have this little dot at the bottom that you can be able to, kind of scroll through, and you can choose the image or images that you want to put here. Now, I had already copied the image from the previous lesson that I did, or you can also just click to edit, and you can put whatever image that you want. So let me show you here. Let's click to add. So I'm going to choose this dog right here. Okay. So what I'm going to do to save time, I'm going to copy this URL. You can add the alt text for SEO. You can put the caption, you can put the link, but I'm not going to put that there because you can. So let's go here, and I'm just going to replace 2 and go to 3. Do the same thing for 3, go to 4, same thing for 4, and let's go over to 5. We're going to do the same thing for 5. So now on the scroll, you see you have an image. You can put as many images as you want on here. Now let's go to the layout. You can have 3 columns like this, or you can have 4 columns. Then you show a little bit more, or let's say you want to go 6. All right, let's do 6, but let's go back to 3 because I think that looks 3 or 4. And you can choose to have overlay with the text. You can have it to fade. See the overlay right there, nice and clean. You can choose to slide left, slide to the bottom. You can choose the overlay to slide from the bottom. As you move your mouse, you see that cool effect. And you can put in the title. And let's go to the caption. So when you come down here, this is the caption you have. And let's scroll down to the navigation. You can show the, move this over, you show the arrows. Now when you put your mouse over it, you notice that the titles are showing. And let's put the arrows on the outside. So now you see the little arrow, I'm not sure if you can, but the little arrow on the outside. And you can enable the navigation bar. You scroll down vertical or horizontal. So let's keep that at the enable part, put it at the bottom to the right. It's gonna move like that. The medium. And let's go over to the behavior. Infinite loop, you want it to autoplay, you can change that here. You can go to the image mood. You can change the spacing for it. So you drag that, you notice you're changing the spacing for it. Let's go over to the overlay. And you can change the colors for the overlay. So you move your mouse over it, you change that color. Now it's changed to that. Let's go over to the title. So you can pretty much just come here and change different things, different settings. Trust me, you're not going to mess anything up. Okay, so with the navigation, change the colors. Now you see it's changed to that color. That's not good. So let's change it back to that one. You can choose the width, how long that goes. Scroll down. So feel free to add your image, add your title. So that's how you get this media carousel done.